Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and this is how to butter corn. You can see my corn steaming because I just took it out of the boiling water. Just grab you a piece of butter, have your butter cut and ready, because what makes this easy is when you do it right when it comes out of the boiling water. See, now I can flip it. Try not to burn my hands. Ow, ow. And I just rub it. Butter is great, man. A lot of people don't like butter, but yeah, if you don't like butter, man, you just haven't experienced it. That's all I gotta say. But just kind of keep rotating your cob and then just butter it up, man. Look at that. Can't beat it, man. Fresh corn out of the garden. This is peaches and cream corn. Just melt butter on it. Let it cool off enough so it doesn't burn your lips. Look at that. Oh, man. Just look at that. And I got my bacon and tomato sandwiches to go with it. Tomatoes out of the garden. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Butter all over my fingertips. Now, that's how to butter corn. And again, do it. The secret is take it straight out of the boiling water, have that butter ready, and rub it on generously. And if you want to add a little bit more flavor, you could add some salt, pepper. When I boil the corn, and check out my other video where I explain how to boil corn. But when I boil it, I have some garlic in the water, so that adds a good flavor. That may be enough. A lot of people like salt and pepper. Some people like Cajun seasoning. Again, it's a matter of personal preference. But you got to have that butter, man. That butter makes it so good. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Look at that. That corn's so hot, steaming up my camera lens, and all the butter's melted. See ya.